My happy family. My name is Dara. I have a happy family. There are 4 people in my family: my father, my mother, my little sister, and me. My father is a teacher. He is kind, hardworking, and patient. Every morning, he goes to school to teach his students. In the evening, he helps me with my homework. He always tells me to study hard and be honest. My mother is a nurse. She works at a hospital and takes care of sick people. She is loving and gentle. Every day, she cooks delicious meals for our family. My favorite food is fried rice with chicken. We enjoy eating together at the dinner table. My little sister is 5 years old. Her name is Lily. She likes to draw pictures, sing songs, and play with her toys. She always makes us laugh with her funny stories and happy smile. Every weekend, my family spends time together. Sometimes we go to the park, ride bicycles, or have a picnic. Sometimes we stay at home and watch movies, read books, or play board games. We always have fun together. In the evening, we talk about our day. My father tells interesting stories. My mother listens carefully and smiles. My sister and I enjoy sharing what we learned at school. My parents teach me to be kind, respectful, and helpful. They remind me to say please, thank you, and sorry. They also teach me to love and care for other people. I love my family very much because they always support me, encourage me, and make me feel safe. My family is the greatest gift in my life, and I am thankful for them every day.